As if we needed any more reasons to love Milk Makeup, they just launched their cooling water jelly tint, and y'all, they're so cute. Let's put one on. Let's put a few on, actually. I want to do splash and burst. So this is how they open. Ooh, and they have a little protective seal. Love to see it. Thank you very much, because I am clumsy. I want to bite it. This looks like those roll up Jolly Rancher things that I used to get when I was a kid. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna start with this one.
It's the fact that I'm rubbing it in circles on top of foundation for me.
Ooh, it is cooling. Ooh, okay. And then I'm just gonna blend it out using my beauty blender that I just put down. Oh, that's so soft and pretty. Who came up with this formula? Who? Talk about minimal effort too, because I just tapped it in and that's it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I'm gonna put more on this side just to see. It just blends right in because it's pigmented enough. Kind of gives the look of a cheek stain as well. And I like the fact that it didn't jack up my makeup. Get into it. Okay, let me do another layer on this side because I put more on that side. I'm gonna wear two, so I'm gonna put on the other one. This one, by the way, is a berry shade. And then this one is a pink. I don't normally wear pink, but I've been wanting to try, so I'm excited. Oh, girl, this is a pink. That's a pink. I'm just gonna put her. Oh,
Yeah, I was not supposed to be that pink.
Sweet Jesus. And tap that right in. That was not the kind of pink that I was expecting, but I like it. I like it. I was thinking that this was going to be one of those light, cute, fluffy, jiggly puff pinks, but it's more of a hot pink, which I am not mad at. That is cute. And they complement each other really well. Okay. Oh my God, this is so cute. Especially for somebody like me, I love wearing blush. I love wearing warm blushes, berry blushes, orange blushes. I don't typically like pink, but I like this. It's doing something for me. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this formula really is one of a kind. I like how easy it is to blend out. It is cooling, the name is true, and it has like this watery jelly consistency, it makes me want to eat it, and I cannot Milk Makeup. Why did you do this to me? Anyway, comment down below and let me know, are you gonna give these a try? Which one do you want to try? And is there anything else from Milk Makeup you want me to try? Don't forget to follow, period. So freaking pretty. Like, it makes absolutely no sense how pretty that is.